of course, it's brought to you by Asap Life and MJM Productions. So guys, it's gonna be fun!
Wow, okay. Abangan niyo po ako mamaya nasa SM North Exa. Ako may mini concert po ako dyan. 4 p.m. and sa Amerika po sa mga kababayan natin dyan. Abangan niyo po ako. Eric Santos live in concert, the US Tour on May 2, San Diego. May 3, San Francisco. May 4, Arizona. May 9, Chicago. May 16, Alaska. And May 17, Olympia, Washington. Kasama ko po dyan si Miss Shereen Reyes, Jan Krabs, Dennis Laurel, and
Wala ako dyan. Oh, yun. Abangan nyo kami dyan. Abangan nyo kami. Ayun.
Thank you, Steve Salon, and also Marlon Tuazon. Thank you, Bang Pineda. At magko-concert tayo, Bong. Meron kaming concert, US Tour, tsaka Canada. April 20, Burton Cummings Theater, Winnipeg. And
meron din tayo sa, ayan, sa Edmonton, April 26, at sa
Northern
Vancouver,
Alberta Jubilee,
April 27.
May 17, Chicago, I will be there also with
Chocolate and Nanay Christy.
Ayun. Oh, kita mo, wala akong mic eh. Oh, napakarami na yung aabangan ha. Pero ito, kahit mahirap din ang pagmamahalan, sila yung nababalitang naghiwalay, nagbalikan. Ano ba talaga yung totoo? Ito na, mapapanood nyo na. Kim and Gerald, Jake Roxanne, and Sam Ann.
Closer from love, I didn't need the pain. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain.
Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen.
But something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melts into the ground, found something true.
And everyone's looking around, thinking I'm growing crazy. But I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. You cut me open.
Trying hard not to hear, but they talk so loud. The piercing sounds fill my ears, try to fill me with doubt. Yeah, I know that the goal is to keep me from falling. Hey, hey.
But nothing's greater than the rush that comes with your embrace. And in this world of loneliness, I see your face. Yet everyone around me thinks that I'm going crazy. Maybe, maybe.
But I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth.
My heart's crippled by the vein that I keep on closing.
You cut me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. You cut me open.
Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. Oh, you got me open and I keep bleeding, love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. Oh, you got me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love.
Where's the best place to fall in love? Ngayong summer month ng April, your song takes you to a romantic beach with Melissa Ricks and Matt Evans as they ride through the waves of love. Now playing Sayang na Sayang as sung by Sherin Reyes. Kasama pa sina Lovely Rivero, Cathy Gonzaga, at marami pang iba. Directed by Manny Palo. Live sa ASAP 08, ma-in-love tayo with your songs, Matt and Melissa, and Teen Love Teams Enchong and Empress, and Erich and Mateo.
Araw at gabi, ikaw ang hinahanap. Panaginip ko'y laging kasama ka.
Kamis ng pag-ibig mo, napapangarap ko. Sa akin walang ibang katulad mo.
Kaganda naman ang ating pagsasama. Ikaw at ako ay laging masaya.
Ngunit biglang nagbago mga pangako mo. Tayong dalawa ngayon'y magkalago. Sayang na sayang lang ang pag-ibig mo. Naan pa naman ang puso ko sa'yo. Naaalala ka kung nag-iisa. Sa pangarap ko'y kasama kita.
Ibig kang di sana'y mag-ingat. Wala ng puso pang masasaktan.
Piliting matupad mga pangako mo. Ganyan ang pag-ibig na totoo.
Sayang na sayang lang ang pag-ibig mo. Daan pa naman ang puso ko sa'yo. Naaalala ka kung nag-iisa. Sa pangarap ay kasama kita. Sayang na sayang lang ang pag-ibig mo. Daan pa naman ang puso ko sa'yo. Naaalala ka kung nag-iisa. Sa pangarap ay kasama kita.
Wow!
Yes.
Sayang na sayang ka.
Sayang na sayang. Thank you, Erich, Mateo, Enchong, Empress. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
And please
Ito.
plug your song.
Yes.
Ayan po, panoorin niyo po, April 13 na po.
Next
Your Song
Sunday.
presents Sayang na Sayang.
Aabangan namin yan. Nagbabalik po ang
ASAP 08.
One team, one summer, one movie event of the year. Buena Vista International, Walt Disney Pictures, EMI Music Philippines, and ASAP Box Office present Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus Best of Both Worlds concert with the special participation of the Jonas Brothers, Kenny Ortega, and Billy Ray Cyrus. Catch the most anticipated and highest grossing concert movie ever captured in Disney Digital 3D. At kung gusto nyo ng chance manood ng summer movie treat na ito kasama ang paborito ninyong ASAP kapamilya, sagutin lang ang tanong, sino si Hannah Montana? Text, pick ABO ang inyong sagot at pangalan sa 2366 for Globe, TM at Sun subscriber at 231 para sa Smart and Talk and Text. At may sound trip pa dahil available na ang #1 soundtrack worldwide, ang Hannah Montana original soundtrack mula sa Walt Disney Records at manufactured and distributed by EMI Music Philippines. At ngayon sa ASAP 08, singing Shining Star, here's the X10 with Al Raver and Sam.